Rudraksh Diksha Sadhana, designed by Sadhguru, a simple yet a powerful sadhana that you can practice with your energized Rudraksh. It's a set of chants that you need to do while holding your Rudraksh in a namaskar posture. Get initiated into a simple Diksha by Sadhguru for your well-being and enhancing your receptivity to Shiva's grace by this practice. We will give you more details on how to get started with this sadhana. But before that, those who do not know, Rudraksh Diksha is an offering from Sadhguru where you receive an energized Rudraksh along with other instrument of grace at your doorsteps. That also free of cost. These Rudraksh are energized by Sadhguru on the eve of mahashivratri. Once you have received Rudraksh Diksha kit, you must have received message along with the link where you can go through the initiation to Rudraksh Diksha Sadhana by Sadhguru. All those who have received Rudraksh Diksha can be initiated into this powerful process. Once initiated, participants can practice this simple yet a potent sadhana daily with their energized Rudraksh to enhance your receptivity to Adiyogi's grace. Rudraksh Diksha Sadhana, a few guidelines. For the sadhana, you must hold your Rudraksh that you have received in a namaskar posture and then chant 5 cycles of Yog Yog Yogeshwaraya chant. To learn the full chant, we have mentioned the link in the description of this video. It's best to do this sadhana during the Sandhya Kalas. The 3 significant Sandhya Kalas begin 20 minutes before and end 20 minutes after sunrise, noon and sunset. Also note that this sadhana needs to be done on a light stomach, that is 2.5 hours after a full meal. Rudraksh sadhana practice is available in official Sadhguru app where all the details are mentioned along with the Yog Yog Yogeshwaraya chant in Sadhguru's voice. Remember, before you start this practice, it's important you get initiated into this practice. Then only practice this sadhana. In the initiation, you will be guided how to do this sadhana and other things that you need to know while wearing Rudraksh. So make use of this powerful sadhana which you can practice daily to enhance your receptivity to Adiyogi's grace. All relevant links are mentioned in the description of this video. Hope all this information helps. Namaskaram.